EE box volume problems are among the most common technical issues users face, but they're often easily resolved once you understand the root causes. Volume issues typically fall into three main categories. Understanding these categories helps you troubleshoot systematically rather than trying random fixes. Let's start with remote control issues, which account for about 67% of volume problems according to EE's support data. The EE remote has multiple components that can fail. Here's the actual remote you're working with, showing the volume controls and key buttons. First, check the basics. Replace the batteries with fresh alkaline cells and ensure the battery contacts are clean. Many volume issues are simply due to weak batteries affecting the infrared signal. If basic troubleshooting doesn't work, you may need to repair the remote. Navigate to Settings, then Remote Control, then pair new remote to establish a fresh connection. Now let's move to audio settings, which cause about 23% of volume control problems. These issues often stem from incorrect format configurations. The key is navigating to Settings, then Audio and Video, then Audio Settings. Here you'll find the critical configuration options that control how your EE box outputs sound. For standard TV setups, PCM stereo is usually the best choice. PCM provides uncompressed digital audio that works reliably with most televisions and ensures consistent volume control. However, if you're using a soundbar or home theater system, you'll need different settings. Dolby Digital format and either HDMI or optical output will provide the best compatibility with external audio systems. Finally, let's address hardware connectivity issues. These account for the remaining 10% of problems, but often require physical inspection and cable testing. HDMI connections are the most common source of hardware-related volume issues. Here's what the connection looks like. You need a certified high-speed HDMI cable for reliable audio transmission. Test your setup systematically. Try different HDMI ports on your TV, as some ports may have better audio processing capabilities. Always use certified high-speed HDMI cables to ensure proper signal transmission. Remember that successful troubleshooting follows this systematic approach. Start with the remote control, then check audio settings, and finally inspect hardware connections. This method resolves most EE box volume issues efficiently. When basic troubleshooting fails to resolve EE box volume issues, advanced techniques become necessary. We'll explore sophisticated solutions and examine the future of EE's television services. HDMI CEC, or Consumer Electronics Control, enables unified volume control across connected devices. Proper configuration is crucial for seamless operation between your EE box and television. Enable HDMI control in both device settings menus. On your EE box, navigate to Settings, Audio and Video, then HDMI control. Similarly, activate CEC functionality in your TV's system settings. Premium soundbars like the Sonos Arc require specific connection configurations. The optimal setup involves connecting your EE box directly to the television, then using the TV's HDMI ARC or eARC port for soundbar connectivity. This configuration allows the television to act as the audio hub, routing sound from the EE box to your premium soundbar while maintaining unified volume control through a single remote. When all other troubleshooting methods fail, a factory reset may be necessary. This should be considered a last resort as it will erase all your personalized settings and recorded content. Navigate to Settings, then System, and select Factory Reset. You'll need to confirm this action, and the process will take several minutes to complete. Ensure you have your account credentials ready for reconfiguration. The landscape of television services is rapidly evolving. EE is transitioning away from traditional set-top boxes toward cloud-based streaming solutions that eliminate many current technical complexities. By 2027 to 2028, EE plans to phase out traditional set-top boxes entirely. This shift to smart TV apps and streaming services will simplify user experiences and reduce the volume control issues we've discussed today. While traditional EE boxes will continue to receive support during the transition period, users can expect a gradual migration toward app-based solutions that eliminate the technical complexities of current hardware setups.